Hi everyone, Ryan from Gray's Classic Cars and Bikes. If you want something that's pretty cool and pretty quick, but it's a bit of a sleeper, coming up this month we've got this 1987 VL Calais. Now the car is a factory manual and a factory turbo. It's running all the original interior, including the steering wheel, door trims, carpets, factory wheels, and it just looks like a standard Calais until you put your head under the bonnet. Now, it's got a built engine in it with all the right components, bigger turbo, bigger intercooler. It's got full aluminium radiator. It's had the injectors done, improved suspension. It's got a front mount on it, and it is just super cool, but it is a dead set sleeper. This car would be ideal to take to an all Holden Day at Queensland Raceway or a power cruiser and anything, that sort of thing. And I like the way the guy's built the car. Like, he's left all the exterior and basically the interior all standard, but all the work, all the good stuff's underneath the bonnet. So engine, gearbox, diffs, all been done. As I said, intercooler, bigger turbo, the lot. Pretty classic car. These things have gone through the roof in the last 12 or 18 months. And to find a factory turbo manual is pretty rare these days. So this one comes up this month. If you'd like to have a bit of a closer look, it is at our Pinkenbar facility at 131 Main Beach Road. Or give us a call on 1300 Classic, or shoot us an email at classic@grays.com.au. So if you'd like to keep up with everything that's happening in our classic car and bike department, why don't you join our Facebook page, Gray's Classics Cars and Bikes. And also, if you'd like to keep up to date with the videos we do at Gray's on classic cars and bikes, subscribe to our YouTube channel.